We're about to install a walnut mantle, and what we've done is put in 1/2-inch all-thread bolts into the brick with epoxy, cut off the tops of them, and got them all leveled. And now we're putting on the walnut on top. It's a live edge walnut.
Which way to go?
We're putting it on top of the bolts. Yeah, let's put it on just like that. See what she looks like. And we'll have to transfer the marks. And then we'll transfer the marks and take and put marks on the back, drill the holes, and then we'll be able to push it into place. And so that's how you mount a French cleat type live edge piece of wood.
All the way down what? The screw holes?
Yeah, we've got it.
Both sides of the bolts?
Yeah, we're going to put blue tape now all the way down the back, or at least over the bolts, sideways.
Put it this way?
Yeah, and just put it right down flush with the bottom.
Okay, we'll do a mark. It's going to mark on the tape.
And we'll transfer marks, and then we'll draw a center with your square. And then we'll be able to drill the back of the piece of walnut. We're going to turn it upside down now and finish transferring the marks to the back. And we're also going to make sure that the top of the mantelpiece is going to be above a brick line if at all possible, so it won't show any irregularities. We're good. We're trying to keep it square, and we're going down through this guide, and we have to drill down 5 inches in each hole. And we've got a chalk line set, and all the holes centers marked all the way down, so that you'll be able to guide these rods into the back of the walnut. That should be it right there.
Smoky goo. Top back, Jack.
And we got all the holes drilled. The moment of truth is fast approaching. All right, we're ready to place the mantle, and we're going to have to guide it in and find holes for each one of these little guys. And I'm going to put the rubber mallet on it. Keep going. Well, a little bit more. Okay. Just work one end at a time. Okay.
Hey, getting to the point where the cow might get stuck back here. Is this it? Right here, this spot?
Right there in between them there?
Yeah.
Okay, it's like right. Yeah, pretty.
So the mantle is now secured with the 5 1/2-inch all threads. Everything is just nice and tight and clean and beautiful. Yeah. Good job, guys. Thanks much.
Here we go.